try me, you could calm down.
Hey,
That was what I was thinking when I saw this damsel yesterday.
Okay.
Well, I saw her, she fine, well, I had to walk up and introduce myself. Well, she sounded so interested.
Well,
when I asked for her number, she gave me. Well, she was, giving me the green light. Well, all these things happen for my head. Okay.
give her.
Well, I don't know if you want to try me because all that.
Hey,
I don't know if you want to try me because to hold it down. You know what I'm saying?
Of course.
Well, the one day to go when I called the number, well, she was like, yeah, I was waiting for your call, why, why you delayed to call me? Well, so,
Shakara. Shakara.
I had to go and try to present myself cool.
Yes.
Try to make the girl feel cool. I can remember when I tried to play like the guy get money for pocket. I can remember saying I don't get shit.
No.
All I had was my pretty fine face.
Oh.
All the joke I do well.
Hey.
Well, they treat on the good. I say again, baby. Don't know if you want to try me because pull out.
Hey,
Baby. I don't know if you want to try the boy. You can come around.
Hey, I know why
With the help of my guy, I hired some guy.
Just so you know, this is on the 5 minutes time frame. Just so you know, this is on the 5 minutes time frame. I woke up pretty much to see if I can grab any opportunity, and I decided to go live again. And basically, my main reason why I'm going live is to have it, live for you guys to watch. Maybe much later when everybody wakes up. But if you're following me currently live online, what I will advise to you to do is, if you have a demo account, which is not a financial advice, if you have a demo account, you can trade alongside with me. You can open your chart on the 5 minute time frame, and what you will basically do is wait for this candle to close right below this our MA. And if we should create an imbalance here, that would be much more wonderful and fantastic for us. And the reason why I'm actually doing a short is because if you check, the market is currently on the premium level, considering the fact that we took the previous high, the previous day high, and the previous day low, right? And using our Fibonacci tool, we were able to determine what's the discount and the premium zones that we have on the chart. And since the chart is currently on the premium, we'll be looking for shorts. And for me, in my own opinion, this is a good setup for a short because of the fact that we are currently trading below our 50 MA, so the first short here is something of this nature. So assuming we close below this line, this is what our shorts will look like. I'll be taking my stop loss at this level here, but if you want to be a bit conservative, you can take it from this level here, right? So this is about 59 pips. If you're using one standard lot size, this is about $50 something. That means you're risking out $59 on this trade, and we'll be taking our profit all the way down to the discount area where I think we're going to get more buyers trying to play the game. So we're looking at 39 pips on a British pound, and if we're able to get this move, this will be nice. I'm speculating that it will go all the way down here, but just to be conservative and make sure you leave early on the market, I'll keep it at this level or maybe this level, yeah. So if you pay attention, there is another imbalance lying around this area. As you can see, the market reacted from it at this point here. So you can also mark that one out. That might also act as a resistance if the market wants to come down. So I'm going to mark that out. I'm going to mark that out, right? So if we should mark it out. Okay, yeah, so if I should mark this out here, so we have 50 seconds. I'll open up my MetaTrader and I'll click on the sell while I take time to set my take profits and everything, but I'm sure I know where my stop loss is. That's the most important thing. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Where's my MetaTrader 5? Where's my okay, I can see that now. And if you see, I think they're about to create an imbalance here, which is good. If they should close exactly where they are now, which I think they will, 4 seconds remaining. So I'm going to open up this. Where is my fucking British pound? British pound, new order. Come on. I'm currently selling right now. If you paid attention, you will hear the sound, the MetaTrader 5 sound. So I'm selling British pound, USD. So I use the market order. So I think my order placed around this area, but I'm using this drawing, and I'm going to add my stop loss real quick, just in case if they decide to fake it out, because there is chances that they would want to come up, fake out, then continue going down, so but I'm going to add my stop loss where it is now, right? But this is the swing. Let me take this swing, since the swing is within our reach, but ideally I would want to put my stop loss here. I don't know why I'm going all the way down there. I'm putting my stop loss here, guys. And if it breaks us out at the top, we'll look for another entry if the market gives us another entry, right? So we'll just have to be conservative. There is no need to be aiming for high stop loss. I just want something quite good that will keep us right in the market. So I think this is okay. So I'm keeping my stop loss right there. That should be 27765. 27765. All right. So I'm done. Okay. So yes, my stop loss is in, and yeah, that's it, guys.
That was what I was thinking when I saw this dance yesterday. Okay. Well, as soon as she found, I had to walk up and introduce myself. Well, she sounded so interested. Well, when I asked for her number, she gave me. Well, she was, giving me the green light. Well, all these things happen for my head. Okay. Okay, well, I don't know, see, you want to drive me because all that. Hey, oh, baby. I don't know, see, you want to drive me.
But if you're watching me live, another thing you can do is you can wait for the market to come into this imbalance created here, right? So once it comes into this balance created here and you see a good setup of a swing, you can actually take the trade and short the market going down. Although one thing I would also want to let you guys know that the overall market formation looks bullish on the British pound. But when you have a running market, there are pullbacks, right? So what I'm basically targeting here is a nice pullback, and considering how the market looks, that's why I am actually taking my decision on that. So as you guys can see, we are gradually selling off, but let's see how it goes. Like I said, I am targeting all the way down here, but I have this imbalance here, and as you guys can see, this was an imbalance that gave us the support, that started pushing us right back up, and we broke out of the previous day high at this level. This is the low that took us up there, so we can speculate that this should be our take profit one. This should be our take profit one. But I love going for the imbalances. So basically, what the market goes for liquidity and also goes for imbalances in the chart. So I'm speculating that here should be our TP1, right? So you can mark it out. Our take profit one should be here. This is our TP1, right? Going to, this should be our TP1, and my TP2 should be here. My TP2 should be here. But with that said, I'm looking at managing the trade as it develops. So TP2. So yeah, our TP1 is giving us a total of 28 pips. So if you're using a one standard lot size, that is about $280, and TP2 is giving us a total of 43. That's about 400 and 400 and something dollars, which is not bad. Well, we'll see how it goes. It's still early for us to feel like there's something going to happen in the market. But I like the way the market is actually forming. I like the setup. So now we have candle closing below our 50 MA. We have an imbalance created. We have some nice will I say gradual sell-off here. But what I would really appreciate is if we see some kind of a swing low forming here. So that would be nice. And with that said, we are looking to come all the way down to this point here. This is the point the market found support in this imbalance here before going up. The support here, we have another slight imbalance here. We just have to mark them out and make sure that we know at what point we are expecting the market to reverse. So this is it for me here. Another place we can be wary for is this level here also. These are the levels that we will be wary for. Another level here, I can see another one here, and if you pay close attention, you will see some, like say, consistency with the market. And you see at all the points that we got resistance that pushed us back up, are imbalances. You see, this one went for an imbalance, pushed up. This particular one also went for the imbalance, found support there, push up. Same thing with this guy, went to the imbalance, support, push up. So we can see this imbalance here has been tested, it went up. This level also tested, pushed up. This level also tested, pushed up. There are some imbalances that are not yet tested, which are lying way below, and they are quite in the discount zone, which is where I am uh, much more would love the market to head to, right? Which are these levels here. That should be our TP2. We have a very nice imbalance here, not yet tested. You see, it was created, wasn't tested. The market just was going up. Same thing with this level also. It created it, didn't test it, started going up. So yeah, that's my analysis this morning. Seems like I woke up at the right time because this is just me waking up and opening my system, and I saw this and I decided to quickly go live on YouTube and make a video around this while I'm placing the trade. I already have the trade placed. Let me show you guys on my MT5 so you wouldn't think that I'm just playing you right here. So if let me see if I can bring up my MT5 up for you guys to see. This is just for the record purpose, and this is not financial advice. I'm not telling anybody to use their life money to trade what I'm trading, and I will also put the disclaimer out there. I am still learning. I'm still in the learning process. This week has been very bad for me because I lost a couple of money. I think I said that yesterday. I had a profit gain of $600, and right now as I'm talking to you guys, what's left in that profit is $200. So I lost about $400 in a very short period of time. It took me, day before yesterday was a very bad time. All my trade was just going against me. So that's why I'm also saying it, because I won't be that YouTuber that will be here telling you guys that I'm always winning. No, I'm not. I'm not winning. I'm still learning. I still watch other traders' videos. I'm still, back testing. I'm still doing a lot of things, right? So that's my setup for the morning. Let me show you guys my MT5, just like I pointed out, so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, my MT5 is open. If I go to trade, where is this guy? Okay, it's open now, so I will just go to this one and this. Give me a minute. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at it here. So this is you see, British pound USD. Yeah, I'm selling. I'm using one standard lot size. I'm selling from this price. This is the price. I use market order to place it. So this is the price my market order triggered on, and this is my stop loss, which is same thing with the stop loss you guys see on the screen. That's 27765. So if we should go here, as you guys can see, my stop loss is at 27765, which lies above here, right? As you guys can see, the market is trying to come back up, but I think what they want to do is give us a nice swing. It would be nice if they tap into this area, give us the swing. Even if they don't tap into that area, no problem. We are already on the sell position, so that's what I'm looking out for this morning. So let's see how it's going to play out in the day, right? So guys, I think I'll have to close the stream right now because the main reason why I came here is already done. But if we have anybody that is watching us live, I would make exception. And if you have any question or anything at all you want me to clarify for you, you can use the chat section to to let us know so that we can go through it together, right? Another thing that I would want to do, let me have a look on what BTC is doing, and I'll call it a stream, if I can say that. So let's head to crypto. That's on the BTC. Let's see what BTC is doing. I'm going to clear all of these charts. BTC isn't looking bad at all. After the ETF news, the crypto market has been, here and there, a lot of excitement going on around that, But let's see how it's going to go. But I think this year is going to be a good year for crypto because we already seeing good news popping here and there. Those kind of news that makes the market sentiment to be overall biased, to be bullish. That's the kind of thing that's happening on crypto right now. So for the short, or for the men that would want to short the market on the crypto, be wary, be careful, because I think the crypto market is going to be way bullish this year. Okay, let's see how this is going to play out. First of all, let's see what British pound is doing. I like the fact that it created this imbalance here. That would help us. That would serve us as resistance, for people that are trying to buy up. But that would be a support for us that is shorting the market. That would be a good support for us. I pretty much would expect them to start, selling down. Another level I would want them to break to validate our short bias on the market. Would want it to come down and break this level here. That's another way to look at it. So if we're able to come down to break that level, that would pretty much increase our bias or chances of us coming down further down. I just wanted to point that out. So let me head back to BTC, and after looking at BTC, I think I'll call it a day, or I'll call it a stream rather. I'll call it a stream. For the guys that love what we're doing here, you like the videos, or you can like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, don't like the video. Then if you want to support us, what you can do is pretty much subscribe to our channel, and that's it. That's the only way to support us. And if you're listening to us live, you can keep you can keep the stream lively by using the chat section. Comment anything you want to comment, even if it means you want to criticize me. I'm open for that. And we're still new right here, so I'm open for that. All right, I'm trying to get my levels on BTC, so that way we would see clearly what the market wants to do. Okay, so on BTC, we had this very good long move. I think it's part of the ETF reactions in the market, which took out all these levels, right? Which is looking pretty good. And now we're currently in the discount area, which is good if we want to take longs in the market, which is good. Anytime I want to take long, I prefer the market being in the discount, right? If I want to take shorts, I prefer the market being on the what do you call it, on the premium, right? Okay, so right now we have this, we had this move here, didn't work out. Assuming I wasn't BTC earlier, I would have taken this, but I wouldn't take it because it's outside my trading time, so I wouldn't take it. But right here we are a bit in our trading time. This would have, I would have fell for this. I would have fell for this. I would have fell for this. Look at that. This is quite similar to what we are trying to do on British pound. I would have fell for this trap. Look at this trap here. Came above, closed above, gave us some nice imbalance. Most likely once it closes here with this imbalance, we can put our buy here, right? And our stop loss will be here. And look at what they did. They came and reversed it, and they did not reverse it to start going down. You see, they reversed it and the market started ranging again. So there are still high chances that they will still want to take this market up. Another thing we can look out for is, if we look at the left side, we can get all the imbalance we can see, because I love trading fair value gaps. Not like it's the holy grail of trading. It's just that it serves as support and resistance at most times. Most times it does, especially if you find that perfect, or I won't say perfect, especially if you find that fair value that is going to be very strong in the market. So, but this didn't pay off. The market came up. You see how it was reacting on that fair value before coming up to this point, giving us another fair value here, but that didn't hold. The market decided to go further down, break out of this fair value, and it's been going all ranging on that imbalance there. So we would wait to see what the market is going to do. I'm not taking any action on BTC. This is the only trade we saw, and that's what we are sticking with. If the market breaks us out, if the market hits our stop loss, fine and good. There is no need to cry over that. We'll just move on, and yeah, that's it. Let's see how this is going to play out. Let's see how this is going to play out. I wouldn't want the market to start going up. Seems like they want to push up. But let's see. Well, like I said, I'm not going to stay long here. I'll soon be going. I will soon be going, guys. Let me see what's going on Euro. Oh, look at Euro. See the first. I would have fell for this again. First move here, closed. Though we didn't see any. But this would have been short. I wouldn't even take my stop loss all the way up there. This would have been a very nice move for me to make here. Something like this. This would be about $28. So assuming I entered here, I'll be down $28. Then this is another place I would look at entering my position, which is here. Right. So if we entered here, our stop loss will most likely be here. And this is similar to what I just did on British pound, just so you know, right? Just so you know. So if our stop loss is there, we'll be looking to take our profits maybe at these levels here, this one here, although we can see some imbalances that are created here also. Well, I think it's going to take out these levels, come to this imbalance here. So I think this is where euro is heading to. This is about 10.1. That is about $100 if you are using one standard lot size, right? And yeah, that's it. If we can get up to that point, fine.
That was what I was thinking when I saw it dancing yesterday. Well, as soon as she found, well, I had to walk up and introduce myself. Well, she sounded so interested. Well, when I asked for her number, she gave me. Well, she was, giving me the green light.
Well, another thing you can consider is I'm just thinking about that right now, and I think it's something I will add to my what do you call it, on my trading strategy, and that is waiting for a swing to trade after the break, right? So look at after the break here, a swing was created here, right? So ideally, good position entry would have been here. Our stop loss will still be here. This is another way to look at it, right? So at this point here, the way why I'm saying you should wait for a swing to be created, because if we waited for a swing to be created here, we won't fall for this fake out. You get? We wouldn't fall for that. And that's why okay, yeah, a swing is about to be created on British pound, which is good. Remember when I entered on British pound, we didn't wait for a swing to be created and we just attacked the market aggressively. But right now I can see some swing being created. I would love if this particular candle that is being created here, it shouldn't break above this last high here. If it doesn't, that's good for us, but if it does, that's bad, because we would really want a swing to be created there to increase or rather validate our bias on shorting the market. Just so you know, I'm already in the market. It's an early bird, that's an early bird market there. So this is what we're looking out for. Let's see how this is going to play out, and I really want to close the stream right now because I don't want to waste further time here. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys maybe during the day, and I'll give you guys updates on what happened here. But while I'm going to close the stream, I'm also going to manage the trade and see how the trade is playing out. So yeah, so that's it, guys, and I think it's high time for me to leave, and I'll see you guys during the London Open session. And yeah, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you love what we're doing here, that's the only way you can support us. And I really appreciate the guys that are following up on what we're doing here, and I appreciate you guys. I hope you do have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.